Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Dust, and in this video I'm going to teach you about how to use your Android phone as a microphone in your PC. Obviously, if you're using a laptop, you don't need this method because you already have a built-in microphone in your laptop. But if you don't have a microphone and you want to use your Android phone as a microphone, this video is perfect. So watch it until the end without missing anything. So it's pretty simple. This involves just one tool and nothing others. So you have to install it on your PC and on your Android phone, and that is done. So before getting into our Android phone, let's install it on our Windows PC, and then let's move to the Android phone. So it's pretty simple. You just have to go to your browser and type in Wo Mic download and click on the first link that you see there. So just click on the first link and go to the bottom of the page, not the bottom, just go to the middle, and you can see that there's an install client on PC, and click on this and this. You have to download both the client and the driver on your PC. So I will download both of them. Once it has been downloaded, you have to click and install the both. So first I'll install the driver and then I'll install the client. So mine is Windows 10 64-bit, so I'll just click on install, and I've already installed, so I just want to click on update it. So yes, and that is done. And now I'll install the Wo Mic client. So it says the language, please select your language, and then OK, and then next, and then if you want to do desktop shortcut, yes, and if you want this program to auto launch, then click on here. But I don't want this to auto launch when my system starts, so I just leave that and click on next. And your destination folder, and click on install, and it's pretty small size, just around 4 MB, and it works like a charm. So yes, this is your Wo Mic client, and boom, you've installed your Wo Mic client on your Windows PC. Now let's move to the Android section. So this is my Android phone. It's pretty simple here. Also, you just have to install an application and then you're good to go. So first open the Play Store and click on Wo Mic, and you have to install the first application that you see. And that said, the installation part have been completed by here. Now let us set up the mic. Okay, let's click on open, and you have here the options. So for setting up, we have different types of options. For example, Bluetooth, cable, and Wi-Fi. So we're going to use the Wi-Fi thing in this video. So I'm going to click on the settings, and you can see virtual mic settings. We have transport and control port, and just do not change anything. You can try different audio sources. Mine works at mic 3 mode because that is what I use mostly. And then you can click on transport and you can see this options. So if you have Bluetooth dongle on your PC, you can click on Bluetooth, but I don't have any Bluetooth, and I'm also using USB for the display purpose, so I'm going to use on Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi and then go back and then click on this play button, and then you will be saying that started, please connect by Wi-Fi, and it shows an IP address, which I'm not going to show you obviously. So what you're going to do is go to your PC and click on this connection and just click on connect, and you have this transport type on different transport types. So just click on what your Android phone is set up on. So my phone is set up on Wi-Fi, but if your phone is set up on USB, click on USB. But if you're using USB, remember that the USB debugging should be enabled in your Android phone. And that is pretty simple to do. Just go to your settings and then go scroll down to about phone, and then tap on build number 5 times, and it says I'm already a developer, so you have to tap on 5 times and it says you are a developer. Then go back to system and then advanced and then to developer options. Once you're in developer options, scroll down until you see USB debugging. You have to turn it on to use the USB transport type. So once it's turned on, then you can connect to the USB. Okay, so let's go to here, but here in this video I'm going to only connect through Wi-Fi. So click on Wi-Fi, and you have to use the same IP address that you have used or that has been shown in the WOMAC application in your phone. Without that, this WOMAC won't work. So let me type in here, which is and once you type in your IP address, just click on connect and it says it is connected. I'm going to prove it to you that we are connected. Alright, I'm going to use my phone for now. I'm going to stop using my microphone and I'll be showing you that the audio is going to be recording from my phone. So here you can see the input is microphone WOMAC device and you're hearing it from my Android phone. The Android phone is working as a microphone on the PC. So I think you can hear me loud and clear. Thank you. So there you go, guys. It's very simple and easy. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So I think you can use your Android phone as a microphone on your desktop. So stop worrying to buy a new microphone and use your Android phone as a microphone. So if you like this video, please drop a like below. And for more content like this, click on that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.